What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm with Levi and Brett, and we've actually been fishing for a couple hours today. We were actually at a lake earlier. We got a little gill. We were at a lake earlier today. We were on some kayaks trying to catch some fish. Didn't go too well. Well. So now we got off that lake, and there's a lot of people fishing on it. Do you have a fish too? For the most part, a lot of boat traffic, and not too good as they just stepped in goose. We decided to pull up Google Maps because we know there's a lot of ponds in this area, and this is the first one we pulled up on. And so there's some fish here, I guess. So that's a good sign of life. We're gonna keep hopping ponds to ponds, trying to find some cool. And Brett just caught a bass. So boom, there's bass here. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna rig up with these guys, and we're gonna hit a bunch of ponds in the area. Google Maps. Gonna find hopefully some honey holes for the future. And stay tuned. Enjoy. Let's do it. There's one. All right, well, that's my first fish on the chatterbait. Not bad. Still small fish on that chatterbait, but still, guys, Google Maps works. We just found this pond because Levi just went on his Google Maps and found a pond literally 5 minutes away from where we were at the time. And you never know, you could find some good spots. Always fun to try new places anyways. Nice little guy on the chatterbait with a Kraken craw as the trailer from Google Baits. Great trailer. And thanks for playing, buddy. All right, let's get some more. Dope. There's one. Oh, yes, that's a good one. Or I think that's a better one. That's not bad. That's not bad. My drag's way too light. Jesus. Oh, that's actually a good fish. Came out of nowhere, hit the chatterbait. All right, let's work him slow here. Get out of those weeds, buddy. My drag's way too low. Oh my God. We're going for it. Get him up here. Let's go. Tank. That's a tank. Woo! Good fish. Look at that. Top of the mouth. That's a chunker. Like I said, guys, literally, this is Google Maps. I did not think there was a big fish in here, not gonna lie. But this guy smoked it, dude. Right there, he just came out and hit it. Brett had a fish on. I was looking at his, and this guy just slammed it. Wow. And Brett triggered the car. Nice job, nice job. But I'm gonna give him some water because we're gonna get a weight in this little chunker. And that's a good fish, though. That is a good fish. Definitely two. Definitely over two. And hopefully I can get some more just like this. But we're going to get a weight on this guy. And damn, that's awesome. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. He nailed it right there. I have this fountain, too. Some fresh oxygen coming out of there or something like that. I don't know. All right, we're going to get a little weight on this guy real quick. All right, turn that scale on. Zero it out. 3.9. So 3-pounder. Still, chunky fish. And I'm going to give him a nice release here. I'm gonna step in the mud just because this guy needs to get in the water here. Nice 3-pounder. Thanks for playing, buddy. Woo! Perfect, perfect. Well, let me show you what I was using real quick. And this is why I use Google Maps. Like, I'm gonna be honest, Brett caught a few dinks. I caught a dink, and I was like, okay, dink pond. But this guy just destroyed it. It's all destroyed now. But I have a black and blue chatterbait with a Kraken craw from Google Baits on it, which, might I add, is destroyed now. So I'm probably gonna get a new one. I'm gonna keep at it, keep fishing over here. Hopefully we get some more fish, and let's do it. Yo. Levi just caught the smallest one of the bunch that were here. There's like 4, I think. Dude, there's 3 bass looking at mine right now. Don't move. Don't throw your fish over there. Oh, there's like 5 bass right there, dude. Those are decent fish. Brett's got one. Brett's got one? Dude, this pond has big fish, boys. Literally, there's like, oh, you see that one just said left the storm drain? Yep. My God. Dude, there are fish just all over the place right now. Wow. Google Maps, guys, let me tell you, Google Maps is clutch. You just got hit. Got him? Yep. Nice. Nice one. Ooh. Might have been one of those bigger ones that were in there.
Yeah, it is.
Oh! Don't be like this right here, guys. See this? That was actually a really nice fish Levi just lost. There's a little bass right there. Got it. There he is. They just rocked the GoPro on that one. Chatterbait fish, not bad, not bad. Google Maps, baby. Little chunker sitting in the shade right next to shore under some cover. Right on top of the mouth. Perfect hook set. There's actually a ton of fish in there. Jesus. These ones aren't as big as the ones by the storm drain, but let's see if I can get another one. He's got it. There he is. Oh, my drag's way too loose. Did I loosen it instead of tightening it? Pretty sure I did. Good fish, good fish. Get him up here, get him up here. Nice, that's a nice one. Little guy. He's bigger than I thought he was, but little guy. Same thing, chatterbait. Levi, double up. Triple up. This pond is good, guys. I'm telling you, Google Maps, we just found a new good spot. Definitely be back here for sure, but we might actually leave soon and try some other ponds around here, because this is a really good pond, but there might be some more. Oh, there's a good fish right there. Might be some good ponds around here, so watch this. Oh, Brett, just get one?
Yeah, one of the tanks, dude.
One of the good ones?
Yeah.
Nice, Brett. It's a good fish. Double up. Oh, it's a good fish, man. Without Google Maps, we have not found this money spot.
Drop shot.
Levi lost another fish. That's probably 3. I'd say 3. It's got a fat gut, so that's a good fish. Right in front of the storm drain, there's just fish apparently just sitting here. They're not eating the chatterbait, but they are eating Brett's drop shot, so that's good. That thing's got a nice gut on him too. Very nice gut.
Okay.
2.7. Almost a 3-pounder. Not bad. 2.5, something like that. And there's still more fish over here, so good fish, Brett. Wanna know why? Google Maps, dude. There he is. There's one. Not big, but. Alright, so there's some bigger ones in front of the storm drain, but this little guy, I guess, decided to take it. But that's fine with me, because a fish is a fish. And this little guy right in the top of the mouth. Take it out real quick. There he goes. Got him? Oh, that's the big one, right? Nice, nice, nice. Want me to land him for you?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Good one, good one. Get him up here. That's like a 4 or 5, dude. Look at it, right in the corner of the mouth. Brett with the drop shot. Here, let me get him out for you.
Okay.
It's a good fish. Me and Brett, like I'm telling you guys, we're looking at this fish, and we're like, he's big. So, wow, what a beauty, man. Biggest of the day, for sure. Wow, beauty, man. Nice job. Here, I'll fist pump the fish. It's 4 on the dot.
Wait,
4. All right, here, take this fish. We got pictures too. So here, I'll put you. Here he is. I think I stabbed myself with the hook on accident, but guys, Google Maps. That's what I'm saying, dude. Google Maps. This place is so good. Okay, guys, we're gonna get out here. This lady's getting mad. Technically, I don't think we're supposed to fish this pond, but because it's in a little community, it's only for the community people. But you know, people pass us, we're talking to us. They don't really care. You know, they know we're not from here when they see us, but we're just out here catching fish, having a good time, and we're gonna leave before she calls cops. So that's that. Probably get Brett's dumb butt over here, and we're gonna dip. God. There's one. Yep. Yeah, that's a good one. Well, he's all right. All right, next pond, Google Maps, baby. It's not a bad one, right? All right, new pond on the Google Maps. And the first cast in the second spot, casted right off that log, hitting this little gap right here. Little guy on that same chatterbait with the Google Baits trailer, Kraken Craw. Hammered it, so that's awesome. This is actually our second pond. We don't have too much time left, but at least I'm on board. Guys, well, I just made it back to the crib. Didn't do an outro there because we had to get out of there. I actually got to be somewhere pretty soon, so that's why I'm doing the outro now. Honestly, use Google Maps. It's such a good feature. You see little ponds, big ponds, lakes, see it all on there, and you know, we went to that first pond we found on there. Got so lucky, and we found an absolute honey hole. Like, we're definitely going back for sure. The pond was absolutely loaded with fish for being the size that it was. It was really small. Honestly, Google Maps is a great tool to find you new bodies of water, new lakes, creeks, rivers, whatever. Great tool, you should use it. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like. If you guys are new here, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.